What's up guys, thank you for checking out this video. My name is Kevin with NIA Body Kits, and today we're going to be installing the new NIA diffuser on this Lexus RCF. Stay tuned. So a little bit about the new NIA diffuser is, one, is made right here in a Miami, Florida factory. Two, we use quality ABS plastic, which means it won't warp with the heat of the exhaust or the heat of the sun. Three, we have different options for you. We have it without fins, which would be this space right here, or if you get it with fins, you get the center plate as well. Four, we have different finishes. One, you can get a textured, which is like a matte black wrinkled finish, or you can get a smooth, which is kind of like a satin black smooth finish. Five, all our kits are designed specifically per vehicle. We do not copy and paste the same design on all the vehicles. Six, we design all our kits with the mounting holes, and we have them already pre-drilled for you, and we provide all the hardware. With the purchase of the new NIA diffuser, you're going to receive all your installation screws. With this installation, you're going to need a stubby Phillips screwdriver, and we recommend an angle driver for a quicker installation. First things first, we want to wipe down the bottom of the bumper just to make sure you get any rocks or any road debris that you might have stuck underneath. Get a clean rag and wipe away. Now that the bumper is all wiped down, grab a friend or family member, and we're going to present the diffuser to the rear bumper. If you notice, it has 6 holes all across. These 6 holes line up to the bottom of the 3 fins. And this is when you can get creative, because you can install it either as far as out as you want, as long as the holes are underneath the fins, or as in as you want. In this case, we're just going to do kind of like 1 finger distance away from the fin. And using the angle driver, you're going to present the screw through the pre-drilled hole, and just self-tap into the fin of the bumper. When you present the screw through the pre-drilled holes, make sure, if you're going to use the drill, to just only go halfway. That way you prevent from over-tightening with the drill and stripping the plastic bumper. If you get the one with fins, make sure to use the longer 1-inch screws for the middle fin. Now that all the screws are in halfway, this is when you get your stubby Phillips screwdriver, and we're just going to hand tighten it to prevent from over tightening and stripping the plastic bumper. Once all the screws are tight, you are good to go. Thanks again for watching this video. Please check out our website for this and many other products that we have for the Lexus RCF. If you have any questions, comment below. We always get back to everybody. Thanks again, guys.